Once upon a time, there was a little wolf named Loopy. Loopy loved collecting his dog biscuits.
Yay! I have 10 biscuits. I'm going to hide them under my rock.
Days passed. Loopy checked again. Nothing had grown. His savings were still the same. He worked hard every day, earning with one hand and spending with the other, stuck in an endless cycle.
Loopy, saving is good, but do you want your biscuits to grow bigger?
Grow? Biscuits don't grow.
The owl points to a colorful little shop in the forest. There's a big wooden sign that says,
This shop is called the stock market. You know when the people are saying I'm investing in the stock market? This is that place. It's where everyone brings their biscuits to help shops grow.
So this is the stock market they talk about?
Shops need biscuits to buy ovens, toys, and juice. You lend them your biscuits. The shop grows bigger, and then they give you more biscuits back.
So, Loopy discovered something amazing. His biscuits could work for him while he played. Loopy takes 5 biscuits to the forest stock market.
Thank you for investing.
30 days later,
Here is your investment and your dividends. 7 biscuits in total.
I gave 5 and got 7? They multiplied. It's amazing.
and then Loopy learned an important lesson about investment. Save stays the same, spend disappears, invest grows. The stock market is just a special place where your biscuits help businesses grow and come back bigger for you.